High OEM demands with increased pressure of sustainability and traceability make multi-material welding's ultrasonic welding technology the strongest and most intelligent fastening solution for the future of automotive interior applications today. Relying on high-precision, smart automation allows for cost savings opportunities by reducing cycle times and the amount of components on composite assemblies throughout the vehicle. Exceed the OEM expectations by using multi-material welding and create a lighter future today.